Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Is it still the ninth? Okay, well, we're going to count it as the 10th anyways. Main station generator, I think, yeah, 006. We're going to have a VS or FS. We're also going to have a space station GS and a space station TS. Bum 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 bum. We're gonna do the ultimate shader editor right now. So watch this, folks. Watch this. When was the last time I worked on a geometry shader? That was a long time ago. Pretty sure. It was, well, not a long time ago, but a while ago. Geometry shader. Geometry shader particle system 3 years ago. Procedural 10 months ago. Oh yeah, geometry shader. Space trader. Perfect. That one is really good. Yeah. 10 months ago. I remember that. That was January time. Okay. Oh yeah, the geometry shader. Okay, the asteroids. Procedural asteroids. Alright. What was the project here? Updated Geom Rand 02. Okay, let's look at that real quick. See if I can find it. Excuse me, there it is. Let me just get that file name real quick. We don't want to load it necessarily, but because that was really good. And then we have another project. Yeah, then the last time I worked with a tessellation shader. Oh yeah, my okay. Okay, so the tessellation shader I used a long time ago in my platformer, which was cool. That's cool. But I also have this project, which is probably a better one to load. Oh, well, we got to get through the ads. Okay. What one is this? Main CPP. Main first tessellation 1. Let's look at that. Let's look at that. Clean up. Main first. Oh, we have geometry on here too. That's nice. That's actually really nice. Point, main first point. Okay, Minecraft entry
Over
shade.
here. Hi.
What's up? First tessellation 1.cpp. Okay, so what's happening? Okay, there's that. Okay. Okay, let me show you what I did earlier. How you doing? just to kind of give you a sense of what I'm doing right now. So this is a point right here, okay? And then I made it so that this is the shader code for that point. And I overrode the regular color here. And like, let's say I want to turn it from green to blue, right? So I'll just go over here, make it blue. Update and compile the shader code, boom, right? I also have, I still have this file from earlier. So I can take this code and just completely change it, and then we've got this. See, this is the crystal from my other program. So what I want to do, this is the fragment shader, okay? And the text box and everything that ChatGPT helped me set up is awesome. I want to have one for each type of shader. So we're going to have a vertex shader, we're going to have the geometry shader, we're going to have the tessellation shader, and then the fragment shader, and then this area in the center of the screen is what we're going to use to render. And it'll be the perfect, the ultimate editor for a shader for shader code. I think it'll be a great learning tool for people who are learning how to do this stuff, and for me too, because I'm not that experienced with the geometry shader or the tessellation shader, but I understand kind of what they do. So isn't that over the AR? Over the AR? What up, dude? How you doing? Long time no see. Sorry, I'm trying to get more regular on my streaming, so I have a schedule Wednesday through Friday.
I'm gonna be a programmer cause I have experienced some programming on my knowledge.
Nice. Yeah, because I'm doing Wednesday through Friday, so tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., and then any time other than that is just going to be bonus. But so far it's working out really well. It's because I got a new job, and I've got to make sure my bills are paid, so I'll keep to that job, and then I can do this. You know, like I don't work tomorrow, which is great. I just got to do some shopping, do some laundry, get ready for work the next day.
True.
Yeah, and now I'm able to do more, and my mind is a lot more clear, and we're doing well. OpenGL instancing, that's cool. What is this one? Oh, look at that, that's cool. I like how they're mathematically lined up in that cool pattern. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. All right.
Over here, my teacher for the thesis selected me as a programmer.
Elected you? Oh. Cool. Okay, so that'll refamiliarize me with the geometry shader and the tessellation shader. So let's do this. So we're in 6, right? Well, we're not compiling 6. So let's remove that. Okay. Go into source files. And let's just go to 6 here. I kind of want to start over from scratch with this program, but it works pretty good. So we're going to go with 4 and 4 here. 4 and 4.
Over
Save
here.
that.
So if I have questions, I'll ask someone, or I could go live in order to program things.
Sure, you can ask me too. Love to help, dude. My focus is going to be on game dev education, which includes programming education, and shader code education is another main focus of mine. I would like to get into music too, but that's kind of a huge thing.
Over here, cause I'll be doing mobile application.
Nice, really? That's awesome. That's cool. I don't have a lot of experience with mobile. In fact, I'm not that good with mobile. But that sounds awesome. So this is a decent size, I feel. And what we want is just, we want 4 of these windows for each of the shaders. And then, yeah, okay. I'm just... Let's see what ChatGPT says about this. I was thinking about this. That's a great idea. Cool. Using multiple text boxes for different shader types can be an excellent teaching tool and is also a practical feature for game development tools. It allows users to see in real time and edit the different parts of the rendering pipeline in real time. Here's why this could be beneficial. Okay, cool. Okay, so we have the fragment shader right now. All right, what we need to do is, and for the shaders and stuff, what was the updated Geom Rand 1? Let's load that real quick. Clean up, main, updated Geom Rand 1. Class updated Geom. Okay, shader M2 Geom. Okay. And then for the tessellation shader. Okay. For the tessellation, main first tessellation. Bum, 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 bum. Let's load that one. Clean up. Main first tessellation. Bum, bum. Oh, the source is in here. So tessellation, control shader, and then that's the tessellation control, and the tessellation, I forget what that one's called. So vertex shader, tessellation control, evaluation shader, right. So then we need 2. Okay, so we're going to need 5 text boxes. Assuming you have a similar setup for other shader types. Okay. Yeah. It's writing an essay for me, so. So vertex shader, geometry shader, tessellation control, tessellation evaluation, and fragment shader. Okay. And this is really straightforward, so why don't I just go ahead and... Now with this one, how do we... Oh, we don't even have a class for the shader. We just... Hold on. We just do it all right in here. Which is fine, right? And then it's just shader program. This is it. Okay. This is exactly what I need. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. So this is, again, this is easier than I thought. So let's load this. This is shader M3 fast. Okay. And the reason why I did that one, let's open that up real quick. So that's documents, OpenGL, learn OpenGL, M3 fast. Okay, whatever. So what we want to do with this one, update fragment compile check. Okay, so let's take this one and let's rename it again. This is going to be shader ultimate 01. Shader ultimate 01. There we go. So far nothing's changed. It should compile and work. Just making sure. Yeah, we're good. We're good. So in here, this is where everything's gonna happen pretty much. So, okay, that's fine. Vertex code. Okay, so std string. We need geometry code. Okay. std string. We need tessellation control. Test control code. And then we also need test eval code. There, so that handles all of that. And now each one of these, we're also going to use this. So we need a vertex code buffer. And I realize this could be more optimized as well with some kind of, I don't know, some kind of class, object, whatever I'm thinking of, object. So instead of having all of these inside here, we would have just like a vertex shader, which would represent the vertex code string, the vertex code buffer, and then the data to work on that. But we're just going to do it like this for now because I want to just make sure that I can do this first. Okay, so we have all that. Get uniform location, load shaders, okay, compile errors. Shader, update fragment, compile check. Okay, so when it comes to this, convert IMGUI buffer back to string for shader compilation. Okay. So again, we've got all those buffers, so we need to do this one for each buffer. So vertex code, we need to do that, right? For the geometry code, same thing. This is so cool. All right, hold on. Test control code, test eval code, okay. And then right in here, fragment code buffer, this is going to be vertex code buffer. Okay. This is going to be geometry. Whoops, what did I do? Hold on. Geometry code buffer. There we go. There. And then this one's going to be test control. No, got to get the L in there. And then fragment. Place that. Test eval. Boom. Okay, shader code equals vertex code dot all that. Okay, so let's do this for each of the things here. VShader code, so geometry shader code equals geometry code dot c underscore string const char. So TC shader, there we go. Oh, this is... Okay, we're getting there. So that's cool. Okay, and then compile the shaders. So then we need a geometry in here. We need a test, TC, and a TE. Vertex shader, create shader, okay. And then we need to do this for geometry shader, test control, test evaluation, okay. one's gonna be geometry. There we go. Shader source. Right. Okay. Do we just put it in there like that? I forget. So where's this one? Son of a... And then in here we have, yeah, it's just geometry. Okay. So what about for the tessellation shader? What did we do there? La da, where's the tessellation thing? I don't have it in here? Well, continue on, keep going. Undeterred. Okay, whatever. So this is now going to be blah, blah, blah. Computer, you are not funny with all this. Tessellation control. Okay, we'll have to find out what goes in there. This is just TE, right? So that's kind of cool. So what goes in here? Check compiler errors. STD string type. Where is that? Didn't I just have that loaded? Did I actually close the file? Why, Jeff? Why? Why did you close the file, Jeff? Why? So this, where is it? Check compiler xcd string type. Type is not equal to program. You can go down here. Oh, so it doesn't matter. Type, it never uses type. Or yeah, it does. Oh, it just, the type is what, okay. So it's just an output for the error. So, okay, alright. So let's just put in here. We can spell it out. Tessellation control. This one's going to be tessellation evaluation. There we go. Okay, so this one's got to be GL tessellation control shader. There we go. Okay, and then G shader code. So this is going to be tessellation control. Okay. This one. Evaluation shader, okay. Tessellation evaluation, perfect, okay. So then we get to the fragment shader, okay, alright, phew. Okay, so then we create the program and we attach all these shaders, so we have the vertex shader, geometry, tessellation, okay. Okay, vertex geometry controls. Looks like that's good. Delete shaders. Okay, that's. So then we're just going to delete them when we're done because we've created the program and linked it and all that. There. So, update fragment compile check. That's crazy. What you've just done is crazy. What you have just witnessed is insanity. Regenerate. No, just... Debugging, real-time feedback. Okay. Collapsing header? Oh, what's that? Oh, it doesn't tell me. Oh, cool. Look at that. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. I gotcha. So it's easier to teach or learn shaders when you can see how changes in different shader stages affect the final output. Users can experiment with each shader stage separately and understand the role each plays. For developers, being able to tweak shaders on the fly is incredibly valuable. It can significantly speed up the process of debugging and fine-tuning the appearance of the graphics. Immediate visual feedback helps in understanding the effect of changes without the need to recompile or rerun the application, which can be a time-consuming process. Separating the shader stages allows for modular design and can encourage good coding practices. Okay, whatever. Okay, so... do we need this anymore? I don't think we need this anymore. This is... cool. Oh yeah, we can, okay. And then the geometry shader, we can just... where, oh, here's the geometry shader right here, the vertex. Okay, so... let me take a quick break, because I'm sensing I need something to drink or something. I don't really have anything to watch. I'm just gonna leave it right here for a second. I would put on a visual display, but it's... Okay. Alright, I'm back. Didn't miss anything there. What's going on here? Cool. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is keep the vertex shader and the fragment shader the way they are now, and just have the geometry shader and then that tessellation control and evaluation shader just be passed through, so they're not going to really do anything. Pretty sure we can do that. Okay. Excuse me, I'm drinking water. Woo! Too many cookies. I know that's kind of not a good thing to say. Too many cookies. Too many cookies. Okay, so load shaders. So when we're in here and we load the shaders, let's do this. Okay, let's update this. So we also need a const char star G path, const char star TC path, and a const char star TE path. This is just the definition, we don't need this. One, two, three, four, five. Computer, take away the squiggly. It'll figure it out shortly. Oh. Correction, I'll be the one to figure it out shortly. Figure out my mistake, that is. Okay. Geometry, tessellation control, geometry, tessellation control, tessellation evaluation. B shader. So we're just going to do this for each thing as we go through. I'm sensing a pattern here. Exceptions, all that. Okay, so that's good. String stream, okay. Excuse me. Okay, are we done with that music there? Let's put on some other kind of music. Is this one still good?
We have a beauty formula that has been in ideation and in production.
Do they have anything new that's kind of longer? Yeah, let's see, there's... These are short videos, bruh. Popular, oldest... How... Don't you have a better filter? Oh, man. Live? Playlists? Even the playlists. Oh, let's go with this. There we go. Let's try that. So all this is try. Okay, open files, read the file buffer, contents under the streams, close file handlers, convert stream to stream. Okay, and then catch, failure, file not... Oh. Oh, I didn't finish up here. So vertex code... Yeah, the geometry code, test code, okay. Okay. And then here, V shader code, this is brand new. Okay, G shader code. There we go. Store the reference to the fragment shader for IMGUI text box, convert to IMGUI reference. Okay. So we need to do this for all of them now. Fragment code buffer. Because we have code buffers, vectors of char for all of them. Perfect. So vertex code buffer dot assign vertex code dot begin vertex code dot end. Geometry code buffer dot assign geometry code. Test control code. Bum, bum, ba-da-bum, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bum. Can I go back up one and then copy? Okay, there. And let's just copy this. Ba-bum. Okay, compile shaders. We're getting there. We are getting there. Ba-ba-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum. G. There we go. The code writes itself with IntelliSense. Then. File or source? What are we... Is it file? I don't think that's it. Oh, it's up here. TC shader code, TE shader code. Okay. I don't know why the IntelliSense didn't have that available. So messing me up. Those Microsoft programmers. Those Microsoft programmers. Why is there a squiggly? I think it's just because I've written so much code and I haven't compiled it yet. Oh, there it is. Oh, that what you that no. Oh, that made me mad. That made me mad. That made me mad. I'm a weird person. The only thing that makes me mad is literally programming related. I'm a weird guy. Okay. Uh,
With YouTube primetime channels, you can watch Paramount Plus, Stars, NFL Sunday Ticket, and more.
this is why I don't like playlists, because they throw in so many extra. Tell you what, let's go back to... I like how that works. I never really paid attention too much.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I'm back. Boom.
So how come these, where are these declared at? Oh, right here, this is why there's an error. I was like, what the? Alright, squigglies are gone. Okay, so now that's good. I didn't even look at ChatGPT's response here. The simple pass-through geometry shader. Thank you. And it wrote an essay. Triangles in. Okay, all that. That's good. Perfect. Alright. So when we load these up, we will have a Space Station 04 geometry shader. So we'll have to create that file. We will have a Space Station tessellation control shader. So we'll have to create that file. And we will have a Space Station 04 tessellation evaluation shader. So we'll have to create that file. Ba-bum, ba-bum, ba-bum. So we broke it at this point. At this point it is officially broken. We need to have a pass-through geometry shader and a pass-through tessellation shader. Okay, perfect. So let's copy this. So where is our vertex shader? 430, okay. So we're gonna make it 430. We're gonna go like that, like this, like that, and then we're gonna go File, Save As. So there's our geometry shader. And let's go back to our, this was our vertex shader? No, this is the fragment shader, but don't save. So open space station 04, yes. Okay. I'd look at these real quick too. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. So updated. Geomrand, I cannot see. But I want to look. Underscore Geomrand 01. Ah. Vertex shader. Geo position equals, so that's it. Points in, points out, final color. Okay, so I think we're good. When passing data from the vertex, you usually don't need to do anything special beyond ensuring the output of the vertex shader match inputs by here the total color requirements. Okay. That's what I thought. So here's the geometry shader. Points in, max vertices, 1 out. Because this is just a pass through. So any point that comes in, but what are we sending through? Okay, we're also sending out an F color, a miscellaneous, and a border color. So we have to do those in the geometry shader and send them through. Let's tell ChatGPT that too. You can tell OpenAI did a major presentation today and it's a little bit slow because it was way faster earlier. They've updated a lot of things. There's a lot of people using it right now. So, computer, whenever you're done with your essay, I have, Okay, I'm literally waiting for it to finish. But let's just go blindly forward here. Because I think all we have to do is when the vertex shader does this, GL position. Oh, we also have to do point size. Okay. Point size equals in size, and that goes through. So what the geometry shader is kind of like an overlay over the vertex shader. So you see how GL position comes through in the in the geometry shader, GL position. The geometry shader acts like as many or as few vertex shaders as you want. So the main thing you can do, like when it says emit vertex and end primitive, emit vertex is like saying this is the end of the vertex shader within the geometry shader. So you do all your code and then you call that. So we have that. And then what we want is all these right here. Because these are going to be in, and then I think, do I have to do in? Let's ask. Oh man, and I lost it? Okay, let's just, here. Okay, so let's let that work on it while I work on it as well. Layout points in. Okay, so right in here. Updated Geom Rand 1. Let's load that up again just so I can look at it. Geom Rand 01 GS. Out final color. So that's where I can put the ins as well. So from the vertex shader, we're gonna have GL point size equals that. So we need to do an out of the So instead of this, there we go. And then we're going to do the F color. The in color will go out. The in miscellaneous vector 4 will go out. And let's go G color equals in color. Let's go G miscellaneous, because we're just going to the geometry shader. And border color, okay, we'll go G border color. Okay. So let's update the vertex shader like that. There might be a way to receive the size, but we just need to do this. We just need to do, so these are all in from the vertex shader, and then we need to pass them through out vector 4. We're going to call it F color. Okay. Out vector 4. We're going to call it F border color. Out vector 4. F miscellaneous. And an out float. We don't need the size, because this is the final stage for the vertex. So we're just going to go GL point size, or what was it? Oh, I deleted it here too. So open space station 02 vertex shader. So GL point size. Now I've got the out. See, very simple. This is exactly what I had previously in the vertex shader, but we're translating it through the geometry shader. So we got size, G color, F color, border color there, F color. Okay, so that just goes on through. Now, if we didn't have a tessellation, control, and evaluation shader, this would just go on to the fragment shader. But these variables are going on to the next stage. Okay, so I think that's good. Let's see what ChatGPT's got here. Okay, I was a little bit off. Oh, the point size is a variable that is in the, this is part of the built-in variables that are passed from vertex shader to geometry shader. So I did that a little bit wrong. Let's put that in here. Nice. So I don't need to pass through the size. And then in the vertex shader here, I don't need to out the size. And we do need to put the size here. So GL point size equals in size right there. Yeah. So that's like it was previously, and that'll just go through. Okay. Good. Good, good, good. And then these three will still go. We don't need that anymore. Very, very nice. Okay, and then the other ones, you'll notice the way that it's declared here as in variables is as an array. That's because initially we can receive more than one vertices. Like for points, you're just going to get one. For triangles, you're going to get 3. For lines, you can get, I think, 2 or whatever, however it works. Plus you can do patches and all kind of stuff. So here we go. So in, we're going to go in G color, in G border color, and in G miscellaneous. Okay. So out is still the same. And then G color equals, okay, so in here, the way I've got this, a little bit different. So the way they've done it, ChatGPT did this for me here. Let's move this down. Those are built-in variables. So G color equals F color. Or wait, what did it do? Because I think I've got it reversed. In F color and out G. Okay, so it's exactly the opposite. Alright, that's what I thought. So, so in this case, what ChatGPT did was the reverse of what I'm doing with the variable names here. So, but that's okay. F border color equals G border color. F miscellaneous. G miscellaneous there. Ba 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 bum. Ba 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 bum. Just so you know, I don't expect this to work. I'm just going through and trying to do this. It would be amazing if it worked, right? So in all this stuff, so in G color, the first one goes to there, border color goes to there, out, and then G miscellaneous, and it goes out. Okay, and then size, position, and the vertex, okay. So basically this right here emulates the vertex shader. This uses the built-in stuff that's thrown from the vertex shader to the geometry shader, and this uses the it basically uses the variables like normal. It's just that it's using an array notation because again we can have points, triangles, patches, like that, and lines. I think lines use points. Don't quote me on that. Okay, so I think we're good. Something seems to have gone wrong. Sure crashing a lot tonight. Is it gonna at least start? I think it may crash. I think there's just too many people working with it right now. It's okay. So, okay, where are we at? There's that. Okay. So there's the geometry shader thing. There's the vertex shader. I don't think we'll need that anymore. Now the geometry shader there. Okay, that's good. Okay, so... Oh, it's working. Certainly, pass-through tessellation control and evaluation shaders are straightforward as well. They primarily forward the vertices without modification, but you need to set up the tessellation levels in the tessellation control shader. Here's an example of pass-through tessellation control and evaluation shaders. Oh, it still takes those... Okay, that makes sense because it still hasn't reached the vertex shader yet. Tessellation control shader, okay. Layout vertices equals 3. Okay. Nice, and it's already working on the evaluation shader. Okay, so that's the control shader. So let's go into here and go like this. File, save as. Tessellation control. Okay. TC, that's what I called it, right? TC, okay. I think this is the second tessellation control shader I've ever worked with, so... Save that. Open space station 04GS. Okay, so in and then out. Okay, so out to the fragment shader, and then it takes them in as an array as well. Okay, out tessellation control color. So from the geometry shader. Let's go out TC, TC, TC. I know I'm changing a lot of stuff up here, but I want to do this. So TC equals G, okay. And then in the tessellation control shader, we're going to go in TC. Oops, okay. So in here is going to be TC, TCB, TC, okay, and then we have to, are we going to name these TE? In F, out TC. So in TC, out TE. Okay, so we're going to do it we're not following exactly the way, because it's going from the tessellation control shader to the tessellation evaluation shader. So I want the variable to be TE. Okay. Okay, we're good. Okay, good enough. Computer, very good. If you want to refresh there, that's fine. Let's just open a new one. Text file. Floop. Save as. Space. Station. 04TE. Okay, so in is going to be in TE. There we go. And then when we go out, interpolate the vertex attributes. Okay, so these are now the out values, and I like how it's listing them up right there. That's good. F, and these are the in values. TE, 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 and then the position, GL, test chord, all that fun stuff. Okay. Excuse me, I'll be right back.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending.
Because I could use the geometry. Sorry, I'm eating just a second. What's going on? Oh. Computer. So we'll take a point and we'll turn it into a triangle or whatever. Bum, bum, ba, da, bum, ba, bum. Oh, and it's got the... Okay. I'm not liking this at the moment, but I will in a second. Ba, ba, bum, ba, ba, bum, ba, da, da, dum, ba, bum. I don't think we need point size here because we're changing it to a triangle. Ah, there we go. Okay. Perfect, yeah, so it's got a triangle there and then it does this. Okay, perfect. Don't think we need that anymore. Nice. Very, very good. Very, very good. Perfect.
I'm just going with this is just a buzz. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella love. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart, yeah. Won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right.
Oh wait, what did it just have?
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I will stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away, to see you again, see you again.
Face off against the ultimate threat in single player. Settle old scores on 16 iconic maps in multiplayer, and survive the hordes in a co-op open-world zombies experience. Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, available now.
We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've
Okay, as far as compiling... Oh wait, I ran it too. Yeah, that won't work. Certainly. Oh, okay. I was wondering how to get the buffer in there for each one. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the
Okay, so what are those called?
I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
Test control code buffer. Test eval code buffer. Oh, just eval. Okay. Tessellation control shader. Okay. So this one is okay, we need like a title on each one of these so I know which one each one is. It looks like they're all the same. So what did we do here? So fragment shader. Pardon me. To label each text box uniquely for different shader types, you can simply provide a label as the first argument of the IMGUI text input text multi-line function. Here's how you can label each text box. Oh, label for the text box? What? Why is it so slow? Okay. So that's some weird... Oh, it's right like that. Ba-da-bum-ba-bum-ba-bum. Bum-bum-ba-bum. Bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum. Bum 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 dun dun dun. Bum bum. I don't see the labels though. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. I bet you it's still generating it. Okay, I have some other code. Hold on. I don't think there's any IMGUI code in here. Yeah. So I want to load this. So the IMGUI code. We'll get to it eventually. Do show, okay, begin terrain GUI. Do show planet. Begin. Is this all I need? Just text. I bet you that's all I need. Okay, let's see if that shows the labels. I realize there's still issues with the shaders. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's better. See, so this is the fragment shader. Yeah, that is. Okay, vertex shader. It is. Okay, out to the geometry shader. Okay, good. Geometry shader. This is not the geometry shader though. Tessellation control shader. That's not the tessellation control shader. Hold up. So, what's going on? So the fragment shader is the fragment shader. This is that. This is not the geometry code buffers. Okay, here. Geometry code buffer. Geometry code buffer. Hold on. Geometry code buffer. It looks like that works. Geometry code buffer. Assign geometry code, right? Geometry code comes from... Oh, right here. G shader stream. TC. TE. There it is. Okay, let's go back. Go back, 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 go back. Okay, are there still the errors? Oh, we don't have any errors. Okay. So this is the geometry shader. Okay. Control shader. Tessellation evaluation shader. Okay. I would like the fragment shader to be the last one. Just in the order that they're drawn here. Let's go fragment shader last. Excuse me.
There was a time when you had me falling to the ground, like a king without a crown. Whoa. Why you make it hard? Don't let me down. You might as well be lost, but I'm found. I'm waiting for your love. You just
Okay, so so we have one point that goes in.
I deserve to stay, and I'll find my way. Just know.
In points. Out triangle strip max vertices 3.
In the dark we fight, you take the wrong and you make it right. Like a firefly, you were glowing at night. So don't make it hard, don't let me go. I wanna hold you tight when you're cold. I'm waiting for your love, you just keep me hanging on. I deserve to stay, and I will find my way. I will find my way.
It looks like I'm crashing. Our systems have detected unusual activity from your system. Regenerate. No, my systems have detected unusual activity from ChatGPT. It's having issues with the network. I'm just trying to ask questions and it's taken forever to answer. And I want to stay in this conversation. In IMGUI, if you want to see the titles, you should use the label. Use labels with that identifier to separate the label that is displayed from the internal IMGUI. That sequence hides the preceding text from the label, and it only uses it as an ID. The preceding text or the following text? Here's how you can add visible labels. I already have that. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, we might be done for the day though, because I'm not seeing anything on the screen. So the fragment shader. Still using just that user function. So anything drawn should be green. That's it. We're not seeing anything green. I don't see anything green, and it's like right in the middle of the screen right now, so I don't see anything. Alright, let's have one more look at this. What if we skip this at the moment? Aha. Okay, so the geometry shader is working. That's cool. So it's the tessellation, control, and evaluation shaders. Okay, well at least we figured that out. That's cool. That's cool. Vector 2. Whoops. No errors, but it doesn't show it now. Hold on, let's... No, it's busted. It's busted. Definitely doesn't like doing that for some reason. Not sure why. Let's go back. So T is negative 0.5. Negative 0.5. S is 0.5. T is negative 0.5. Oh! So as soon as I update it, it breaks it. Okay, so the update itself is breaking it. So it's not getting any errors. And it's actually recompiling and using the shader code then. Oh, I think I know why. Okay, that's because I only took that out of the beginning here. Because that is the load shader function. And when I hit the compile and check, it does this up here. And it's including the tessellation and control shader in there, which is the problem at the moment. Okay, cool. So let's just try that again. Okay, that works. Nice. Okay, so here's the thing. Cool. So the geometry shader now. Whoops. Bum, 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 bum. How come that did that? Interesting. That's very interesting. I'm gonna have to work on that, but bum, 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 bum. Define offsets for the triangle vertices. Okay, so if I just wanted to do, let's do this. Take that out. So we're not doing the, let's go 100. Position FY. Okay, so we just want a vector 2 in here. So as I goes from 0 to 100, let's just go 0.5 times the cosine of goes 6.28 divided by 100. I just answered my own question. 0.0628. Okay, where are we at? Vector 2, parentheses, parentheses, there. Parentheses, parentheses, okay. Oh, nice. That's cool. See what that does. Whoa, okay. Oops. Because that's going to go to 100, so 1 to 100, and then we want to just... Actually, since that's an integer, can we mod that with 10? There we go. Oh, that looks cool. That's wild, but yeah. So can I still get a screenshot? Did I just take a screenshot? Yeah. Okay, that's wild. So it's not done yet. We have a lot of problems. Number one, the tessellation control shader, tessellation evaluation shader. I would like to be able to save this work as I'm working. So what it'll do is it will save. Yeah, we'll have to have like a file name and everything that the user can enter and all kind of stuff. So I'm going to work on this possibly the next few days. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to turn it into, but I really like where it's going. So. Alright, nobody's watching, but that's okay because we are done. Thanks for tuning in on YouTube. Check y'all later.